We're in southern Mexico, in Oaxaca state, and this is the part of Mexico that is the Isthmus of Tehuantepec. And this is the narrowest part of Mexico. And this allowed the Olmecs to have a port city on the Pacific and on the Atlantic side of Mexico. Mainstream archaeologists are talking about Monte Alban as being a Zapotec city, although they realize that the very earliest parts of Monte Alban are Olmec. And we'll see the Olmec figures, some with thick beards, others looking very much like Africans, or even some like Chinese, as the Olmecs did. So here we are at the famous Gallery of the Dancers, as archaeologists call it today. And we see this whole wall of stelas. These have early Olmec hieroglyphs on it. And it's quite possible that this was actually some kind of a medical university where people with their organs are showing, and that perhaps lecturers and doctors were pointing to different diseases or other medical problems that people would have. But we see again how many of them have the beards, such as this guy here. He has the full beard, which is very much of an Olmec trait. American Indians don't have facial hair, and they're unable to grow beards or mustaches. Other of the figures look very African and are therefore Olmecs in the archaeological eyes. We see again more heavily bearded figures like here. So now the mainstream thought is that it was the Olmecs who started Monte Alban around 500 BC, or perhaps even earlier. And in fact, archaeologists have found here beneath us a large tomb with huge granite slabs that are covering a tomb. And inside is a polychrome murals and things like that, but we're not allowed to see that right now. And I lucked out, I found a peso.